Now we're getting to the interesting part of InVideo AI, to actually finding the B-roll or A-roll of the footage if you want, and using the great music. Now first things first, let's get a very simple thing out of the way, and it is music. What InVideo AI is doing, it's actually scouring through royalty-free music and adds it to your video with the correct volume and correct ducking based on the mood that you want to create. This way it will create exactly the mood that you want. And all you will need to do is literally just to say what type of mood you want your music to be. That's it. That's literally it. There is no much else. Well, at least there's not much else that you need. It will populate your entire video with this amazing music. But music is not all. But now you have a script, you have a voiceover, and now you have a music. But that's not a video, right? You literally need video. So how you can use InVideo AI to actually generate the video? First things first, what InVideo it will use as a video. InVideo has a large base of stock videos and pretty high quality stock videos, like from Storyblocks and iStock. Now what InVideo will do, now it will scour through script and divide the entire video into paragraphs. And then it will scour through those paragraphs and find the keywords that will perfectly fit your video, and then it will try to find the stock footage based on those keywords. That's how it works. There's no magic there, it's just very clever AI work. But you can actually change this media in whatever way that you want. Now first things first, it will generate the entire video. And then you can scour through the entire video and you can edit everything that you want. To do so, go to the video that it will generate for you and press edit button. Now you can edit the media in one of few ways. You can just edit media or edit script. And let me know what you need to edit script. First, let's start with edit media. With an edit media, you will have basically a timeline of your media files that will be visible, and you also have your script. And it will also highlight in which part of your script certain media files will be visible. What you can do is you can select the media file that, for example, that you do not like, and just do a few of different things. First things first, you can click this triple point button and just adjust the ideal duration. For example, which duration, how long you want this certain media file to be, and also shows the actual length of the said media file as well, so you would not overdo it and to not ask to use this media file for longer than actual media file is. Or you can just select the file and just change the media. You can select different media file that you want, or if you have your own videos that you will probably have, you can actually change it with your own videos and then just click replace. That's it. And you can do this with every single media file. But let's say that you do not like everything and you want everything to be regenerated. You can do that as well. To do that, you go to edit script and see this play button with every single paragraph of the text. Now what this is media keywords. Now this is basically what keywords that you want to use to search the media. And the InVideo is actually populating everything this by itself. But you can actually change this. Like for example, if you want something completely different, nothing related that you are talking about, you can do that. And you'll find this completely unrelated media files as well when you regenerate the video in its entirety. And you can do this with every single paragraph. But not just that, you can actually add the titles and text to your videos, and by judging on this text, you can understand that it's very, very powerful, especially if you have some type of educational content, because yeah, this text actually helps you to understand things more. To do so, in the same edit script, you can actually change the text element, like adding a title, text overlay, or over third. And then you can just write the text that you want there to be. That's it. It's very, very easy. InVideo AI understands perfectly that the words that you are speaking is important, the media files are important, and it also gives you the way of controlling how AI is finding those media files, and also gives you the ability to add text. But that's actually not all. InVideo AI actually allows you to add subtitles with the different styles as well, and this usually works more with YouTube Shorts and other short style videos. And you can actually add those with the prompt or through the drop down menu, like from the YouTube Shorts workflow. So, and then, like for example, you can add the different styles of subtitles, and this way it will make video even more engaging. Now we can manipulate and change all this on the fly, and trust me, it is much easier than making all the video from the scratch. Basically, InVideo is creating everything for you and gives you an ability to fix and change in the way that you want. And yeah, it's much easier to do everything from zero and searching and downloading all the stock footage by yourself. And weirdly enough, it's also cheaper as well, because even if you're going to use the premium stock footage with a premium premium InVideo subscriptions, it's much cheaper than actually going and getting this premium stock footage by yourself. Really, basically, you're not just getting a very competent video editor and creator, you're also getting a free stock footage. How amazing is that? But speaking of free stock footage and speaking of editing, there are a few things that I want to talk about and discuss to make using of InVideo AI as easy and as productive as possible for your Faceless channel, and also you're going to use some other tools to make it as productive as possible. So I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Take care.